it. Nowadays we are discussing about carbon. So far we have learned up to manufacture of ethanoic acid. The molecular formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH, and this ethanoic acid is prepared with the oxidation of all presence of potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. And the physical properties we learned about, it is a colorless liquid with an unpleasant odor and a sour in taste because it is an acid. It can be dissolved with water in all proportion, and boiling point is higher than the alcohol and aldehyde, and the cooled pure ethanoic acid turned like ice like flakes, which are called glacial acetic acid. Also in the chemical properties we have learned about, when this acid reacts in presence of sodium and zinc, it forms sodium ethanate, zinc ethanate. Also the carbonate react with the acid to keep carbon dioxide and water along with the sodium ethanate. With the base, carboxylic acid react with the base sodium hydroxide to form salt and water. And the decarboxylation, carbon dioxide is removed from the sodium salt of ethanoic acid in presence of soda lime. The uses of ethanoic acid is, it is used as a food additive and preservative. Also it is used in the manufacture of plastic, dyes, pigments. Also used as a laboratory reagent. It is the reagent used for the conversion of liquid form of rubber into solid, semi-solid form of latex, that is called coagulation. Also it is used in the manufacture of drugs, medicine, that is in the field of pharmaceutical. Now, organic compounds in daily life. So organic compounds play very important role in our human life. That's why we have learned in 9th standard itself. Carbon chemistry is called living chemistry. So without carbon, there is no possibility of existence of life on this world. So here, there are different compounds highly useful in our daily life. So various classes of organic compounds, and their some of the uses are given below. First one, hydrocarbons. So normally hydrocarbons are used as fuel. Hydrocarbons are used as fuel like ethane, methane, butane, pentane. So like LPG, petrol, kerosene, they are all used like as fuels. Also raw materials for various important synthetic materials, polymeric materials like a tire, plastic containers, and propane is used as fuel. Also it is used to make chemicals. Ethane is used to produce ethylene, and butane normally in the form of butane, isobutane. So it is also used in the form of gasoline. Natural gasoline is used as fuel. So there are so many uses in the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons mean nothing but the compounds containing only hydrogen and carbon. Compound containing only hydrogen and carbon, which are called hydrocarbons. Next, see, when we are going to study about the uses of alcohol. So alcohol is mainly used as solvent and antiseptic in the medical field, and it is raw material for various important synthetic materials and the preparation of paint, dyes, and so many products are prepared. So many chemical compounds are prepared by the dilution of substance in presence of alcohol. Then aldehydes. So aldehydes are in the form of formaldehyde, used as disinfectant, and these raw materials are used for synthetic materials. So here it is also used, the aldehydes are used to make resins, dyes, organic acids, perfumes, also detergents, soaps. So it is an industrially it is used on the large scale. Formaldehyde mainly used in large scale in the industrial purpose. Then next one, ketones, ketone, and ketones also used as solvent. The most common ketone is acetone, which is used as an excellent solvent for the preparation of plastic and synthetic fiber. And also in the household, acetone is used as a nail uh, polish remover and thinner, paint thinner. And also it is used in medicine. It is used to chemical peeling and also uh, in the treatment of pain remover. So in all these it is used. The next one, see, ketone. Next one is ketone, and in the ketone it is also used as a solvent and a stain remover. Then to see the next one, that is ether. Next one is ether. Ether is used in all the painkillers and anesthetic agents. Normally, the ethyl ether is an excellent solvent for the extraction in the chemical reaction, and also it is used as a volatile starting substance in the diesel engine, also gasoline engine, even in the cold condition. And dimethyl is used as a spray propellant in the refrigerant. Then next one is ester. So in the ester, all the cooking oils and lipids contain ester. All the cooking oil and lipids contain ester. For example, esters having fragrant odors which are used, also it is a main constituent of perfumes, essential oils, food flavoring agents, cosmetics. Also ester also used as organic solvent. Natural esters are found in the pheromones, and naturally occurring fats and oils are fatty esters of glycerol. So, so these are the some uses of organic compounds in our daily life: hydrocarbon, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, ether, and ester. So next we are going to study about soaps and detergents. We normally know about soaps and detergent. Soaps and detergent both are used for the cleaning purpose, but both are not same. Both are not working based on the same principle. Also, the manufacture of soap and detergent also not based on the same principle. So, because pure water alone cannot remove the dirt and oil substance from our body or clothes, so we are using soaps and detergents. So they contain surfactants. What is the meaning of surfactant? These are the compounds of the molecule that line up around water, break the surface tension. So surfactants are the chemical compounds which line up around the water to break, to reduce the surface tension. So when the surface tension is reduced, then the soap or detergent going to work to remove the dirt or grease on the from the clothes. So both of them having different chemical nature. So soap is a cleaning agent that is composed of one or more salts of fatty acids. So soap is a substance contain, or soap is a salt of fatty acids. Salt of, also we can say, soap is a sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids. But detergent is a chemical compound. Detergent is a chemical compound which is uh, in the obtained in the form of a sulfonic acid, in the form of sulfonic acid. So that is a chemical compound or mixture of chemical compound which is used as a cleaning agent. They perform their cleaning actions in certain specific conditions. And now we are going to study about soap. First to see what is soap. Sometime will be asked in 2 mark question. What is soap? Define soap. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of some long chain of carboxylic acid called fatty acids. Then there are two important raw materials required for the manufacture of soap. First one is fat, oil. The next one is alkali, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. So the alkali most commonly used in the preparation of soap is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide used in the preparation of soap, but potassium hydroxide is based soap create more water soluble product compared to sodium based soap. Let us see, the potassium based soaps are used for the bathing purpose and sodium based soaps are used for washing purpose. So two types of soap because of the different kind of alkali, that is potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Soaps also classified into two different types. That is soaps which are prepared by the saponification of oil or fat with caustic soda. Caustic soda means sodium hydroxide. So the manufacture of soap is done by the use of caustic soda, sodium hydroxide means, that is called hard soap. So these hard soaps are used only for washing purpose, for washing clothes, not for bathing purpose. And soft soap, soaps which are prepared by the saponification of oil or fat with the potassium salt. So when potassium hydroxide is used, in the manufacture of soap, those soaps are called soft soap. So they are used for cleansing the body. They are only used for bathing, for the bathing purpose. So there are two types of soap: hard soap, soft soap. Hard soaps are saponification of oil or fat with the caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide. Soft soaps are saponification of oil or fat with the potassium salt. So based on the different alkali, two types of soaps are given. So far we have learned about the some important uses of organic compounds in daily life, and also what is soap and what is detergent, and what are the two types of soap. The next one is the manufacture of soap, that we will discuss in the next session. So till that you have to go through only simple topic is given, that is the uses of hydrocarbon, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, ether, ester. Then what is soap, what is detergent, and what are the two types of soap. Only simple topic. So you learn thoroughly and get the knowledge of this uses of hydrocarbon and two different types of soap. So complete your classwork. Thank you. God bless you.